Hey there guys, so what is up? In this video, we are going to explain how to delete your MetaMask account. Now, to begin, we are going to do this on the Chrome extension, right? This is very important. So you cannot permanently delete a MetaMask account because public blockchain addresses exist forever. So there's no legitimate way to permanently get rid of your specific account. However, you can remove an account from your interface depending on how it was created. Now, if you've created your MetaMask account via the extension, the Google Chrome extension, like what we have right now, all we need to do is remove the Chrome extension. So all we need to do is delete the Chrome extension, right? So as you can see, we have an account here, right? So account 1, account 2, we have several accounts. You can also hide your account if you want by clicking this. For example, account 2, if I want to hide, click account, there you go. So that is now hidden. You're the only one who can see the account, right? But again, if you really want to clean your device, in this case, this computer, of your MetaMask account, all you need to do is click on this, right? Click on the Chrome extension icon on your tab, right? And then click remove from Chrome. Click remove. It's going to open a new tab that says we're sorry to see you go. So what that does is not only does it remove the extension, it uninstalls extension from your Chrome browser. It also cleans out your MetaMask account that was logged in. So when you open, right, when you get and re-download the MetaMask account or MetaMask extension on your computer again, like so. So add to Chrome, click add extension. You're going to see that you need to start from scratch again. So there you go. You're going to have this option, create a new wallet or click an existing wallet, right? If you just got rid of that, if you don't have your password, if you don't have your seed phrase saved, that's gone forever. MetaMask cannot help you with recovering that. So all you need to do is, again, create new wallet. There you go. And just sign in with whatever Google, Apple, or Telegram account you have. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.